and welcome back to my channel. So today we are at the car show, like I said.
Say hi, Nate.
Hi. Hi. We're recording both at the same time. There's some old cars here. Oh, whoops. There's some old cars here, and yeah, it's pretty nice. Some old cars here, and it's nice out. I had some slushies. I made an ice cream.
Walking back through, so
Yeah, we're just walking back through.
and then I might make a night vlog. I don't know.
Yeah, I might make a night video too. Like a night video of like me relaxing at home or something. And I promise to give a shout out.
I did when
Yeah.
you click on this movie maker. You can put
And
make a big video. Oh, cool. So like whenever I have to, whenever it accidentally.
Is that Elton John Rocket Man? Yeah, it's one of my favorites. Is it? And Rocket Man. And by the way, guys, you know, every time I do a video, I give a shout out. If you like, subscribe, and I don't care about notifications. And write a friendly comment. This shout out's for Brady TV. It says Brady TV in it. Whatever. I'll just say that. He said, "Can I have a shout out? I like your channel. Thank you." Okay, Brady, you got a shout out. Congratulations. Okay, so we're just walking back through. Oh, I'm a little weak in the knee. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
See Sam down there? I'm talking to Sam. Yeah. I said, how's the car working? Great. I had to push it into here. I'm like, oh. Oh.
Hi, Rihanna.
No. You put it like cut it.
It's gonna be a long, long time. And there will. It's gonna be a long, long time. Oh, I can't believe they played my favorite song. I'm a rocket man. Rocket man, girl. Okay, enough of my stupid old singing. I'll shut up and I'll just show you. Okay, we're just in town. My legs are a little sore. Sorry, I'm blocking a lot of it out. I don't want anyone's face getting in it. Except Alexander, because he's okay with it.
You should
He
get the
knows
deep
better.
fried ice cream. It's ice cream with cornflakes and caramel sauce and ice cream.
No.
Yeah, it's really good.
And I have deep fried Mars, darling. I have to eat that for supper. Because I can't do both. I think that might win. That sounds like a good one, right? That was delicious. I don't care for it. Plus, oh, really? It sounds like something that's right up my alley.
It is really good.
I love it. Is that working? Yes. I know it's working. You got to switch from 2 to 11. Everybody's working. Everybody's working. Sam wants to
Oh. Just waiting for the conversation to end. Ooh. I wasn't sure if I let it on here, but I don't care right now. My legs are too tired. And it's really nice. There's some trees. Shop. I can't really show people's faces. Some people are too fussy about being on camera. Oh, well. Oh, come on. I'm just gonna wait for the conversation to end.
Not what he has up in. Hi, Nate.
Hi.
How are you? Yeah. Oh, hey, listen.
Oh, I'm just a little bored now, but I hope we can get cotton candy. Cotton candy.
For me? No. Oh, he's such a nice I convinced him. I was like, I know, I love window boxes. Yeah. I really do like window boxes. We researched the crap out of it.
Okay, I'm gonna keep the viewers entertained. Okay. So guys, if you want me to react to something like that, you can put it in the description below. You can you can write the comment saying that you would like to do it, and then I'll try to do it my best. I'm not gonna stop the video because we're gonna walk. But if it takes too long, I may stop it. But for now, all I know is that I'm not gonna stop it for now. And I'm gonna make a night vlog, 2 of me just relaxing at home, and I might watch a movie and eat some. I like old music, so that's the only part that cheers me up. I hate long conversations, especially with dads. But it could be worse. Okay, so guys, sorry, you guys gotta wait through this. On an iPad, you can't really pause it. It'll fast forward to the next one. On iPads, I'll just keep you guys entertained. Okay. Alexander will be done in a few minutes. He's just talking. His mom's talking. Just getting it starting soon. But anyway. Okay, guys. So I'm not gonna stop the video, but yeah, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe too. I don't know why I keep saying it. I'm just trying to keep you guys entertained. And if you want me to react to something, I'll give some shout outs tonight, I promise. But sorry I don't do 2 at a time. It's just I'll try to give as many tonight. I'll make 3 videos tonight. I might even do a challenge. If you want me to do a challenge, I don't care. If you want me to do a challenge, I don't care. If you want me to do a challenge, I'm open for requests. I'm down for requests. I love the music. Oh.
Radiant radio. So it's just the way it is. It's just from sitting. So it's the same. Yeah, I don't know. I brought him a cup. Because there was a different car, and I was like, "Is this yours?"
There.
I'm like, "I think that new car or something."
Okay. All right. So Alex is just gonna. Yeah. Well, I'll keep you guys entertained because it's my channel, by the way. So yeah, we're walking through town. There's nice show. There's cotton candy. There's treats. There's all that stuff. It's not like a big party. It's just a little small car show. They have them in Cape Breton a lot. There's a lot of antique shops and stuff here. I like antiques. That's a good part. Okay.
Hi guys. So my mom just got talking with
Yeah, sorry. It's just on iPad. You can't fast forward to the next moment. I would have done that.